Mama, why you still folding your hand like this? Are you not following me to go and bring back my wife, Ego Ibo? Eh? I told you are going with me now. Why are you still here now? What is this now? Should I beg you before you follow me to go and bring back your daughter-in-law? What is this now? Eh?
My problem is that you are a fool. A complete idiot for that matter. Yes. Oh, you want to go and get married? Now tell me, is this how they get married? With one keg of wine? One keg of palm wine? Okay, where are your women now?
Mama,
where are your kinsmen?
Mama, do you know your problem? You have a very big problem. Do you know your problem? You lack understanding.
Oh, I lack understanding.
You lack understanding completely. Did I not explain to you? Did I not tell you that this is an emergency marriage? Eh? Did I not tell you? I told you that Nda Angoleka called me and said that I should bring anything I have, anything at all that I have today, and take Ego Ibo's hand in marriage. That if I fail to come today, that another person will marry her first thing tomorrow morning. What is this now? Okay, my woman that you are asking me about. Are you not aware that bringing my umuna collectively, that I can only do that on the meeting day, which is next week? Do you expect me to wait from now till next week before for umuna to gather before I can get the love of my life? By then, she must have been pregnant in another man's house. Nah, you never come as what you will. You never come as we will.
You man album, I'm more surgery. You man of former. Soji and Magiji here. Yes, I can't follow you to that place. If you can't see that this thing is a deadly trap that your Nda Angoleka set for you to kill you, you can go alone. I am not going with you.
Hunter.
I wish you luck.
Dinta every day. Trap. You won't find here now, Mata. You are calling yourself Osoji. Which Osoji was Oba? Oseja Woba. When you want anything, when you not for Pakam, also Kete on here. You don't want to follow me, Abi. You don't want to go with me. Don't worry. I will go and call a job for my friend and I will go together. But if I mistakenly born and you call any of my child, your grandchild, to God who made me, you can't follow me, Abi. I didn't even want to. I told you the other day that you shouldn't attend my one age. So no, Doro here Kadorati.
Efulefu.
Osoji, leku ko osoji keji.
Efulefu. Ajonwa should know whatever you need for. I believe that your Nda Angoleka have bewitched you with her witchcraft.
Osoji ha gbara pump. Na akọ.
Nenu kuya. Ufuro ku kuya de.
Idi lucky. Aga me nwuru okuko gi na. Mujere ndogom. I would have gone there straight with one of your fowl now. You confirm.
You want to go and get married with just a keg of palm wine. No umonna, nobody followed you. And you are happy. Don't worry. I'm here waiting for you now. Go and come.
How many of your kinsmen came when my father married?
Mama, this one you use your last money to buy these drinks. Hey, and your visitors are not here yet. Who are they? Because you asked us to wear our best dresses and wait for them. So when are they coming?
Will you shut up your mouth? You are too inquisitive. You ask too many questions. What is your problem?
Sorry, Mama.
Eh? Your elder sister is the one supposed to be asking the question, but she kept quiet.
She don't want to talk
My
now.
friend, she don't know that kame wole zenga boye.
Okay.
Today is happy.
Where are your kinsmen?
Kinsmen? Who are you seeing here? Do you think this is one person? You can call this man Ishukwuato. This is more than one person. You don't know him. No.
Mama, are they the people we were waiting for?
Are they not more than enough? Anyway, let's go straight to the point, please.
You know now, I just brought my kinsman so that we can do this thing and finish our agreement. You know, agreement is agreement, you know.
Agreement is agreement, but at least you should have come with 1 or 2 persons.
It's more than enough. It's more than enough. Like our tradition said, you know, I cannot talk for myself. Let me allow my mouthpiece, let him speak for me.
Okay, no problem.
And now. And now.
Okogo. In our tradition.
Swear as well.
Udum. He thought. Owabowa.
And now.
Owabowa. The only man that all the emergencies in our community runs after.
What did you say now? No, what did you just say now? Are you here to set or to destroy? Are you arranging or destroying? What do you mean by all the medicine? No, I don't want that thing. Stop that nonsense. Do you want to spoil something for me here? No, I don't like it. Okay, go straight to what we discussed on the road. Everything we plan on the road here. Start the way I told you should start. What are you saying?
I say, in my marriage, you start from...
You are spoiling. So which one is what the maidens are running after me? Okay, throw that one away. He will say the right thing.
No go, Ibo. Ego. My friend, Owabowa, my only friend, he told me that there is flower, beautiful one he saw in your home. That he...
Where is the hibiscus?
I'm coming now.
I told you to say he saw a hibiscus flower. Why are you even delaying this thing? I say it fast before you forget something.
I heard it. And the hibiscus flower you saw must be ego.
Mama, I don't understand. Where is this coming from?
What don't you understand? That Uwakwe, a responsible and hardworking man, came to ask for your hand in marriage.
Mama, please.
Please what?
If this is a joke, just stop it. What is this?
I don't like this. My answer is no.
No on what?
No, I will not marry you.
Will you shut your mouth?
What is all this now?
My friend, sit down! I'm not done talking. I said sit down!
No, sit down.
Okay.
Mama.
What?
God forbid. Eko Yibo will never marry a madman. Over my dead body would I allow my sister to marry this?
Who is a madman?
Oh,
let me.
You don't need to answer her.
I will forgive her. This one is a kureku.
If you don't shut up, I will use my hand.
Go. Why?
Don't be quick.
This man is hardworking, responsible, and I know that he can take care of a good.
My in-law.
Please help me with
Today is not the first day I've been asking for her hand in marriage. Sometimes I ask her on the road, in the bush, farm, everywhere.
No, don't worry. It will end today.
Mama, I hope you're not pouring this drink for me.
Hey,
Okay, let me hide there.
And if I am pouring it, what will happen? Now take this drink. Collect this drink from me.
Mama, I do not want to marry him. What is all this? Now, why are you doing this?
I want you to marry him. I am your mother, and who I choose for you is who you will marry. Bam, the drink.
Drink. Mama, is it by force?
Will you shut up?
She said she don't want to marry them. Allow that now. What is this?
I can't allow me low.
Ego Ivo.
They drink. I don't want to talk again.
This is what they used to do when they want to get married. As if they are leaving their father's house.
No, he's
come
always
back.
shy.
I know.
Ego Ivo, collect this drink from me. Don't be stupid. Are you alright? Now go. Go and show us who your husband is.
Achanga di amale. Achanga di amao. Oh, agalele. Achanga di amao. Idi. Achanga di amao. Oh, agalele. Achanga di amao. Achanga di amao. Achanga di amao.
Give me soap. Osama, who give me soap? Hey! I'm already inside the bathroom. Whatever also. Give me soap. No. Where are you? Hey! What is it? Wait. Sit down, my man. Sit down, You're going to the piano. Hey, you can go for now. Hey, Uncle, where are you? Go for now. Uncle, wait now. No, come and sit. Come and sit here. Come and sit here.
Yeah, but once you give us a call, I'll let him know. It's not a problem. I'll call you back later. All right. Let me call you back. What is it? Who's after you?
My mom. My mom, she wants to forcibly give me out in marriage. She wants me to marry Owakwe, and I don't want to. You need to do something.
I'm trying to understand. Your mother wants to give you out.
She wants to give me out. I don't want to marry Owakwe, please.
Oh, I thought I came and made it known to your people that I want to marry you. I made it known to them that I want to marry you, and they gave me a date to come. So why does she want to marry you off to someone else?
I don't know. I am tired. I don't know. I can't marry him. I can't marry Owakwe, please.
Hold on. I'm trying to understand something. I came and made it known to your people that I am coming to marry you. And they gave me a date to come and marry you. And now your mother wants to marry you off to Owakwe. For what?
I don't know.
Okay, you know what? I'm... Okay, it's fine. I'll take you home and I'll talk to your mother.
Please
talk to
her. Talk to her. I can't end up with Owakwe now.
It's okay. Just take it easy. I'll talk to your mother, alright? I'll talk to your mother. It's okay. Just calm down, alright? I will.
Hey! My eyes, oh! Look at what you have done. Hey, Joffa. Papa will not go blind.
No.
Papa will not go blind.
Don't mention blindly. Don't try it.
Chineke.
Don't try it.
Chineke.
But Owakwe, why did you tell me that you did not discuss with Ego Ibo before going to their house? Why?
It wasn't Dangoleka. It wasn't Dangoleka. Dangoleka deceived me. Dangoleka told me to come that everything is discussed, that I shouldn't bother, that everything is discussed, that Ego, once I get there with whatever I have, that Ego Ibo is my own. I didn't know they did not discuss. Hey, Anyam. Papa will not go blind. Chere. Isha, I can't see.
Are you seeing something?
They put in the drink. Hey! Where are we now?
It's better you go deaf than blind though.
Where are we now? Have we gotten to go about?
We are close and move. See, Owakwe, it's better you go deaf and dumb than blind there. So.
Are you okay? Are you stupid? Why will you be saying all those nonsense? Are you mad?
Owakwe, you open your mouth and say if I'm stupid.
Yes, are you crazy? Okay, Nadia. Hey, Joffa! Let me tell you.
If you insult me again, if you insult me again, I will leave you.
Yeah.
Turn where? Turn your left.
Where? This side.
Turn left, turn. I will tell you. Turn your left back. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, Waka.
Can look what I happen. Can look what would die here today? Leave me, let me see. Instead of you to leave me, would die here.
No, come this side.
Where?
Come this side.
Hey. So. Jofo, thank God I didn't go blind.
Huh?
At least I can see small light.
You can never go blind.
Thank God, oh. Hi, Jofo. I thought they said marriage is ordained in heaven.
Some marriage.
Not
all marriage. Some.
Hi.
Just stay here. Let me get clean water so I can wash off your face.
What if I had gone blind now? Can you call my people? What is this? What type of thing is this one?
You cannot go blind. Just put that. Let me get water. I wash your face. Mama,
please.
Good afternoon.
It's again. My what? My who?
Your mother.
My mother. I don't understand. Does it mean my mother has been here? My mother has been here since we walked in.
She's sitting here.
How? What is she doing? Onata chicken, onata turkey. Can you onata?
She's peeling granite. Maybe she wants to eat abacha.
She's peeling granite. No, my mother is eating granite while I'm going blind. Okay, onata granite. No, my mother onata granite.
It's okay.
Hey! I want to ask you something, Ejofo. Can your mother do this thing to you? That's it. I just want to show you a small example of how wicked my mother is. Can your mother, your own mother, see you going blind, an only child, and she will do this? She will just sit quietly eating something. Is that possible in your own house? Is it possible in your own house?
Wakwe, my mother cannot do this kind of thing to me because I don't give her problem. I don't give her stress like you do.
It's again.
I'm telling you.
You say,
Moa, idiot.
Get her from here.
Look at blind man. Look at who I'm trying to help. Look at blind man.
Come on, girl, get mapo sheba zuzurupo idiot. Talking nonsense.
Anyway, I'm just helping you because of your mother. Makayewa. Come on, on one issue. Or the kind of one
get out from here. Come on, Mpama Okotoko. Mama, you called yourself my mother. You, your only child, is going blind. He's almost blind and you are there eating granuts. Mama, to God, if you survive that granite, you call me Anama. If you survive that granite, if that granite don't choke you and you die, call me Nama. Me? What are you seeing me as now? You are seeing me as Anona baby. Anatarea granite. Anona baby not a granite, but no problem. That granite. You will see what that granite will do to you. I have just confirmed it today. Me, I have confirmed it that I'm not your son. Maybe you picked me on the way. You picked me on your way to maybe farm or anything. You picked me on the way. I'm not your child. I have seen it today. Granite got to Shigerida for game man or woman. Your only son. To talk to Mama no nonsense. If you're a waiter up, Papa. If you're no waiter, you will see. No problem. Get that idiot. Where is this idiot? Bring that water there. Chineka go that place now. Bring that water more. Idiot.
Babe, I've been calling you and not taking my calls. What's the problem?
Not after the childish attitude you displayed the other day. Please,
I don't have time for you anymore.
Babe, I am sorry if I overreacted. But you should know me. I can't stand my woman flirting and jumping around with another man. That's bullshit.
What? Did you call it flirting? Please, I don't want to say any nasty things to you. Just go. I want to be left alone. Just go. Biko, get out.
I'm sorry. I have not gotten to that.
It has gotten to that. The fact that you went and reported me to my parents. What is all this? Is this how we are going to do in our marriage? Is this what I want? Please, I don't want it in my marriage. I don't want it. Just get out.
Babe, come on. You are taking this too far. I haven't gotten to this, please. You are taking it too far.
Taking it too far? No, you are the one that's taking this too far. For the fact that you abandoned me on the road and went to my parents to report me. Get out, I don't want to see you again.
Oh, babe, I said I'm sorry. I'm sorry, forgive me.
Out! Out!
You see? To hell with you. I will beg you no more. Nonsense. That's bullshit, man. You should know me. Don't talk to me.
Rubbish. Nonsense.
See, Uwakwe, you cannot quit. You cannot quit now. Eh? Not now. You cannot.
I have to quit, though. I have to quit, though, so that I will have my life intact. I just need to quit. See that palm wine she poured in my eyes? I did not see for a whole day like this.
I am sorry.
Fresh palm wine from Umuacham. Akuru ezigbo nche ka o were m n'anya. I almost lost my sight. I'm quitting.
I am sorry. Eh? But you have come so far to quit now. You are a man now.
I better quit.
Eh? In fact, you see tomorrow, I am inviting you to my house tomorrow. I want to perform small magic. Just come.
They say that it is in the house of a Mugu. They stand in the house of a Mugu like this to point at the house of a giant. That time there is grasses all over. That giant must have been dead. They will be there and say, a giant used to live here. Yes.
Uwakwe. Bonyu ujo ka na na to jelube dika aka.
Ba dika anwugo. Dika etigo.
Thank you. But let me tell you, you are a man. You keep fighting. You need to fight for your love. Or do you want Chidi to steal Ego Ibo from you and disappear? Eh? Yes, the whole villagers know that he's staying abroad. Where in abroad, we don't know. You see what I am avoiding. But you're in this village, farming, hardworking. I will get to be seeing my daughter. You need to fight for your love. In fact, if tomorrow comes and you are not in my house, I will conclude that you are no more interested in Ego Ibo. And Chidi will just take Ego Ibo and go.
I talk about me when love. I can fall in love anyhow, but I cannot just die for nothing.
Ekwe changeela, ekwe setiela, uwakwe amala malu alu, uwakwe amala malu alu. Ekwe setiela no, ekwe changeela, uwakwe amala malu alu, uwakwe amala malu alu. Ekwe changeela, ekwe setiela, uwakwe amala malu alu, uwakwe amala malu alu, uwakwe fe. Amala malu alu, uwakwe amala malu alu, uwakwe amala malu alu. Trouble wala, nsogbu akarie. Nobody wants to agree, nobody wants to surrender.
You must be Chidi's maid.
Alright, time to go. How did you find my house? And who let you in?
Does it matter? Since you don't want to visit as promised, I decided to come and know how my darling is doing. Are you going to somewhere?
Yes, I was actually on my way out. I'm going to drop her off.
Who is she? And why do you want to drop this thing off?
Oh, please, watch your mouth. What I will not take from you is insult. Don't try that next time.
Oh, shut up. Don't talk when I'm talking. Who are you?
Nancy, I want you out of my house. I didn't invite you. You are in my past. Okay? As a matter of fact, she's going to be my wife soon. We're getting married soon. So that means you're not needed around here. Just leave.
What? She's your wife to be?
You heard me right. Just get out because I need to lock my door. I was actually on my way out before you walked in. Get out. I'm sorry about that. She's my past, all right? Someone I used to know, yeah. Nothing more. I'm sorry. Can we go now? Okay, I'll be in the car.
Enough. I'm not going to say that, but please, Majuano, I am Ego Ibo's mother, so I have the right to choose who she will marry. And I have chosen Uwakwe. Simple.
My in-law shall be well with you. Kogo. Iga di kechi maka na echi ada agwa agwa. Ise ogo karaka. Pokri pono na ogo. Na konshi.
Angoleka.
That is my name.
Things are not done that way. My nephew here, Children, had registered his intention to marry Ego Ibo. And you, Angoleka, gave us a date to come and discuss with your kinsmen. So why would you give your Ego Ibo out to another man?
Don't shout at my late brother's wife like that. She has 2 daughters. And she has given Ego Ibo to our Ogo here. Your nephew. She can marry the other one.
Ego, be you're a wise man. You have wisdom.
No. Things are not done that way. See, let's be frank here. Our late brother's wife is the one that brought this confusion here. Shidi here is the first person to bring wine here. And it's this person Ego lost too. So what are we talking about here?
It is not all about coming first. It is about who the mother of the bride accepts.
Hey! Bagam! Ichie! Yes!
Let me end this thing. Let me tell you people my stand in this thing. I have paid for Ego Ibo's bride price.
You fool.
I am married, we are married, and that is fine now.
We even pay over.
We paid over.
Yes,
so any other thing you are doing here, you are just wasting your time.
Ego Ibo Bunkan. I don't know why you are disturbing yourselves.
Young man, can I ask you a question?
Only put that in.
Happy Koko area. Koko nonsense. Oh yeah, talk rubbish. Talk.
The last time we saw, you acted like a lunatic. But I advised you. I said, when you like a woman and you make your intentions known to her, if she doesn't like you, why do you keep forcing yourself?
Wait. Now, cross your leg. We are crossing leg now.
So, old man, let me answer you. From the first day I set my eyes on you, I already know that you are a ritualist. Because if you are not a ritualist, why would you insist on this girl, this particular girl?
Makachi.
Are there no other girls everywhere? Where you are coming from, abroad, where you stay everywhere? Don't they have girls there? Why this particular one? If they didn't tell you in your temple that this is the particular one that you will bring for you people to pan, why do you want her? You are looking for who to keep, but let me promise you, you will be very lucky to leave this community alive.
Machi.
You got the very lucky people na this community nando.
Makachi.
Is that supposed to be a threat or what?
You call it whatever you want.
I promise.
Whatever you want.
Hold him, Iche. Hold him.
My people, I greet you all. I'm a peaceful man. Okay. And that is why I normally follow my friends in a peaceful way. I just have one question to ask, especially you, Ikobi. You call yourself an elder or one of the citizens, yet you are not behaving like one. And you, okay, Naruala, look at your beard like he got old. Look at it. In the police. Okay, so since it is like this, what do we do? Are you telling us that my nephew here will no longer marry Ego Ibo?
Owakwe. Calm down. Ikobi, let me answer him your question.
I'm not referring to you. I wasn't referring to you.
Idika, you are in my house.
You are not.
The person. See his attitude.
You are not a man.
See his attitude. Somebody that wants to marry somebody. You say something. See your attitude. You say you love me so. See your attitude. You have pride. See with the pride.
Ikobi, careful. I am not your mate. I'm not your mate. Careful. And you okay, Narual? Look at you. Look at your beard like he good. Look at you. Look at you. This said the truth. Yeah. Look at you. Maybe they have given you pride to say what you don't know. Be careful.
Madiche,
okay.
You can go on.
Idika, you are in my house.
Yes.
I have right to answer that question.
Yes. Hey,
there is no need quarreling over this. We can settle amicably. You brought the first wine or the second wine. The matter is that Uwakwe here has paid the dowry.
Bam.
I have 2 daughters. And Chidi is a nice man.
Hey.
He deserves the best wife ever. My second daughter Linda is still here.
Hey.
So he can pay dowry and take Linda home as his wife.
Hey, my choice.
It's very simple.
Mama, why can't you just allow me marry the man I love? Why? Why are you being so mean? Why? I don't love Uwakwe. What is there for you not to understand?
My dad keeps saying it. Let her hear it 10 times and over again. Nonsense.
Ayaka. Hold your mouth.
Don't worry, he will collect his pay today.
I have chosen Uwakwe for you. Bam. I am your mother, so I have the right. You will marry Uwakwe because he will take care of you. He has paid your dowry. All the yam, cassava that you've been eating in this house, have you ever thought where I was getting it from? Uwakwe was bringing it.
Mama, give him back his money.
It is not possible.
I will not marry him. It is that simple.
You will marry him.
I will not. I will never marry him.
Are you challenging?
I will never marry Uwakwe.
You will marry a woman. Are you challenging me?
She's under a spell. Under a Let's go now. Hey, Ebwe! Go on! Hey, up and down! Up and down! Festival! I said, get down! Move! Let's go! Move!
You see what you crossed?
Who are they? What you've done? Oh, yeah, there. Come on. Leave us. Bianna, are they your people? Are they your members? You sent them. Who are they? Bien, Chidi. Who are they?
You see what you've done?
Who are they?
You see what you've done?
Leave me alone. Who are they? Are they your members?
Excuse me?
Are they your friends? Are they your members?
He sent them.
Did you send them to come and carry her?
Are you playing games?
What is wrong with this one?
Who are those people?
Who are you talking to? Who are you asking that nonsense?
Who are those people?
Oga, listen to me. You need to go home now and explain. Bam. You are going with us now to explain. Or whatever you say here.
Who are those people? They look like you.
Don't say
anything. They look like you.
Whatever
anything
you say here now will be used against you in the court of law.
Why?
Please, I beg you, don't harm me, please, don't harm me. What am I doing here? What did I do? Please, let me.
Shut up, your vocal cavity. Shut up.
You ask too much questions. If I hear you ask more questions again, I'll put this knife in your throat and I'll send you to Valhalla. Hello, boss. Yes, everything went well, successful. As I speak to you, she's under my custody. Yes, she cannot make any step out. Yes, that's her voice.
See, we have reported the matter to the police, and DPO promised to do something about it. Eh? His boss will go and get Ego Ibo back. You have to calm down.
Uncle, don't tell me to calm down. You don't understand what the situation is, do you? No. I'm afraid. What if something happens to her? What if they kill her? What if they are raping her as we speak?
No, Chidi. I want you to keep your mind off those negative things. Ego Ibo will come back sound and healthy. She will come back sound and healthy. See, those boys might be kidnappers that want to make money from you. See, the best thing we should do is to keep calm and wait for that demand. Be a man. Why are you behaving like this? Calm down.
Uncle, if something happens to Ego, I can't stand it. If something happens to Ego, I'm not going to survive it. I just want to let you know.
Nothing will happen to Ego Ibo. Nothing will happen to Ego Ibo. I thought you have traveled abroad and come back. Calm down. Be a man. She will come back sound and healthy, like I said. Just calm down. Be a man. Calm down.
Uncle, this is not funny.
Let me go, please. What have I done to deserve this? What have I done? Who are you people? Just let me go, please. Please, I beg you. I beg you, sir. Please. Just let me go. Let me go, please. Sir, please. I beg you, please. Please, sir. Sir, please, I beg you. Please, just hey.
Any more words? I will put this knife in your throat.
Guys, I want to believe this money is going to be enough for you to buy, fuel for your bikes. Listen, it's a critical situation. Okay, we need to find out. It's very important. I've been to the police station to make an entry, but they keep telling me to come back in 48 hours. She's been missing for days. But I strongly believe the police are not serious about the entire situation. They're not doing what is right. She's been missing for days and they're not doing anything about it. So please, help me find her. Hold on to this money, please.
Ego is the daughter of this land. She's our sister. So there's no need for this money.
I understand you're trying to be a nice guy, but listen to me. You need the money to fuel your bikes. Nobody knows where she is. I need you guys to find her. Please, just hold on to it. Please. Okay?
Okay, sir. Ego is the daughter of this land. She's our sister. So there's no need for this money.
I understand you're trying to be a nice guy, but listen to me. You need the money to fuel your bikes. Nobody knows where she is. I need you guys to find her. Please, just hold on to it. Please. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Sir, just have to calm down, please. We'll do our best. We'll find her. Please,
no problem, sir. We promise you we'll find her.
Alright, no problem. Thank you very much. Just give me a call. You have my number. Just give me a call once you see her.
Okay, sir.
If there's any information, just let me know.
No problem.
I'll still go back to the police to ensure that they do their best as well.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. All right. Thank you.
Ego Ibom. Ewo. Akaji wamora nwamo. Akaji wamora. Asima akaji wamora nwam. Akaji raonye. Akaji wamora pu nwamo. Akaji wamora pu nwamo. Hey, Ego Ibom. Okubu aja akaji gigo kenke weru maka. Ay. Ana m achọ onye ji nwa ahụ ruru m aka o. Ọkụ gbaji aka ji ya go keke wee ruru m aka o. Ana m achọ onye ji nwa ahụ ruru m aka o. Ana m achọ onye ji ụka ahụ ruru m. Ọkụ gbaji aka ji ya go keke wee ruru m aka. Ego oyibo m. Ego oyibo m bịa gbawala m chai. Ofu mkpụrụ nwa m ji ego n'elu ụwa. Aka ji ngwa m rapụrụ m nwa o. Anwụọla m anwụọ. Ego oyibo m awụdayo. If anything happens to you, I will die. Oh. I cannot survive it. Ego oyibo m. Wherever you are, ọkụ gbawa. Ego oyibo ọkụ gbawa. Chineke bụ. Ego oyibo m. Ego oyibo m. Awụkwanụ m. Chineke m.
Ego oyibo nwanne m. My dear sister, where are you? Eh? What is happening to you? Are you fine there? God, please protect my sister for me. And bring her home safely, please. God, please. I'm begging you.
Linda!
Mama. My sister. What is going on?
Linda!
Mama.
Linda! What is it? Why are you crying?
Mama, Ego Ibo is not back. Are you not worried? She's not back.
Instead of you to be celebrating, instead of you to be celebrating that Ego Ibo is out of the way, if I were you, I'll be at the market. I will be at the market now, as in dancing. Boom.
What kind of a mother are you, Mama? You want me to celebrate? You want me to be dancing and singing because my own sister has been taken by armed men? Mama, why are you like this?
My friend, will you shut up your mouth? Just shut up your mouth. Your competitor is out of the way. A good opportunity for you to get Chidi. Go to his house. Pretend you are consoling him over the missing of Ego Ibo. Then use your woman power to seduce him to get pregnant. And once that is done, he will not have any option than to marry you.
Will I betray my own sister? Mama, why are you like this? Is Ego Ibo not your daughter? What did she do to you that you cannot forgive her? What did she do, mother? I have never seen a mother without love like you. But I will not betray her. I will never betray her.
Of course you are going to betray her. Because if you don't, I will not only slap you, I will disown you. So if you know what is best for you, start practicing on how to seduce Chidi to get you pregnant.
Mama, don't go. You are going to disown me.
You heard me.
Because I refuse to betray my own sister.
You heard me.
You're not worthy to be called my mother. I curse the day you carry me in your womb. I curse the day you gave birth to me and everything we have shared together as mother and daughter. Before you disown me, Mother, I am leaving and you will never set your eyes on me again.
You can't leave. We're stuck together for life.
Is that what you think?
That's what it is.
Try me.
Where do you know? Where do you know? Where? Please, bupukanta kangu ego. Ah, na osisi otosia. Huh? Linda, I've not done what I wanted to do with it. Linda! Linda!
Mama, what? What is it, Mama? What? That you cannot let me rest? What is it? What?
Where do you think you're going? Who do you know?
Mother. Just watch and see.
Egoibo is not your lost sister.
Has it gotten to that? Denying your own daughter? Mother, please. That is too far. If it is a joke, Mother, please stop it.
I am not joking. She is not your blood. We don't relate.
For who I go marry, I have searched for so long for my heart's desire. Now I've seen you.
24 years ago, I gave birth to a dead child. And I didn't know how to explain it to my husband. Because we were looking for the fruit of the womb for a very long time. 7 years of marriage without any child. And later I got one, but gave birth to a dead child. In that hospital, there's a woman who delivered of a baby girl the same day. At midnight, I stole her child. I switched the babies, left my dead child with her, and took hers. I came back home and urged my husband to relocate us to the village. And after 1 week, we relocated down to this village. My aim was for nobody to find me. Three years later, I became pregnant and gave birth to you. So you see, Egoibo is not your blood sister.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
I don't have a choice. That was the only option I had to protect my marriage, because the relatives were all on me. I didn't maltreat her. I took her as one of me. Gave her everything a mother should provide for a child. But what I don't want is to sit and watch her get married to a rich and handsome man like Chidi while you are still single. It has to be you. I want your world to be colorful. That is the only way to better your life.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Mother. What kind of a mother are you?
The mother that will give the child anything to make her world better.
A mother that stole another woman's child. An infant mother. You stole someone's child.
I switched.
However you want to say it to suit yourself, that is your own, but you stole.
I switched.
Mother. Oh God. Egoyibo is not my sister.
She's not. Mother. We are not related in any way.
You are wicked. You are one wicked soul I've ever known. How could you? How were you able to carry another woman's infant in your hand and then you relocated to this village? How were you able to do that?
At least I didn't kill her. I just made her mine.
God.
The only difference is that I don't want her to marry a rich and handsome man while you're still single. Haven't I done enough? Is that too much?
Mother. Mother. What have you not done? What have you not done in this life, Mother? Is there more you want to let me know? A mother who had the guts to steal another woman's baby, an infant, a child. Mother, God will not forgive you on this one. You are so wicked. You have a dark soul. And I'm not sure God will forgive you on this one. Trust me, He will never forgive you.
Please, can we talk about the future?
And what is the future?
Now that you know that Egoyibo is not your blood sister, this is a better opportunity to get Chidi to your side. We have to execute our plans. Get him seduced. Get pregnant. That is the only way out.
I will never be part of this your evil plot.
You are already.
I have never been part of it, and I will never be. So after all this your atrocity, you still have the guts, the nerve to advise me to go back to Chidi. You get it all wrong. Because I am going to disappoint you. I will never betray my sister. And I am going to expose you, Mother. I am going to tell the whole village who you are, how dark and wicked you are. You will never see me again.
No one dares a black cat. Not even my blood.
What is going on? What is it now? Hamaka! I want to kill myself. They have taken away my girl. My only love, Ego Ibom. The only girl I love. The only girl my heart beats for. The only girl I want to use and break my virginity. They have taken her away from me. I want to kill myself. Okay, stop. Stop this. You know you are owing me 3,000. You are owing me 3,000. So don't try it. Don't kill it, because if you die, nobody will pay me that money.
So I want to die. You're talking about your 3,000. Or 3,000 Kagimpa.
Idiot.
Leave this place.
Wait, Owakwe, wait now. See, let me tell you. Anyway, let me forget about the 3,000. Even if you want to kill yourself, is it by holding your throat? Just do like this. As if small bone entered your throat. You cannot kill yourself like this now. If you want to die, just enter, take rope, obo, this big rope, enter inside big bush, carry small stool, look for big tree, any branch that just cross, tie the rope there, bring it down, tie the neck, where you put it on your neck, then climb the small stool. If you close it, then use your leg and remove
you could done.
You just die. Nobody will even come and disturb you.
Yeah, wish me could.
You like flight. I actually live up here.
So if I die, what happens to my mother? Who will take care of my mother?
Your mother?
And who will take care of my mother?
Owakwe. So you are deceiving yourself. Thinking that you are the one taking care of your mother. You are Ashe. So let me tell you. Your mother, since you were born, your mother has been the one taking care of herself. Good care of herself. Even you. Okay, what? God has been taking care of. So don't worry yourself. Just like I want to call DK. Call just relax.
Don't worry, let me kill myself. It's none of your business. Just
cool down. If you want to die, let me just help you so that's my money. I don't even need it. You are a problem to me. Oh yeah. See, let me tell you. Let me just show you how to do it straight so that you will not just stress yourself. You just remain around the corner. See this machete now. Just take this machete from me. Raise it up like this. Then, not forget. You just die peacefully. No stress. Nobody will even hear your voice. Me, I will just cross. I will know that you
do what?
Take the machete. You raise it up. This is just smoothly like this. You just go. You just die.
Let me see that machete. Let me see it. How do you say I should hold it?
See, you will not sweat yourself. If you do this thing like this now, you just die once. You will not reconnect so that many maggots will maybe also.
You don't want me to reincarnate?
No.
Good. So how do you say I should hold it?
Take it up like this.
Like this.
Now for.
I raise it up like this. And do what? Raise your hand up.
Take it up like.
Hello? Can you hear me? Good afternoon. DPO, what is going on? I need to understand what is going on. It's been 4 days, sir. 4 days. Sir, I need to understand what is going on. It's been 4 days and she hasn't been found. Your men are not doing anything about it. Sir, that's why you're the Nigerian police force, okay? You need to do something. You need to find her. Okay. I'll wait for your feedback, sir. Thank you.
agabigana mwenyewe winagaharine kamaragi agabigana mwenyewe winagaharina tabu agabigana mwenyewe winagahari remember winagahari remember winagahari remember agabigana mwenyewe winagahari na tabu agabigana mwenyewe. Oh, Jesus. Father, come and rescue me. Come and rescue me from this place, please. Don't let them kill me. Don't let them waste my life, please. I don't have any other person but you. I have no other person but you, God. Please come and rescue me.
For who I could marry, I have searched for so long for my heart's desire. Now I've seen you, I have found you, my love. Rapasiri, I believe
I heard what happened, but this is not the best way to handle this.
How else do you want me to handle it? My woman has been missing. They need to tell me if she's dead, so at least I know what to do. I'm just tired.
Chidi, you have to stop. I am here for you. I will take very good care of you, Chidi. Please, you just have to stop this. It will not bring her back, for goodness sake. You know what? I need to take you upstairs so that you can refresh. Let's go. Don't worry, I'm here for you.
For who I could marry, I have searched for so long for my heart's desire. Now I've seen you, I have found you, my love. Rapasiri, I believe if they want to fight, I am ready to fight for this love. Anyhow they want to I am ready to fight for this love. I am ready to fight. I am ready to fight for this love. I have fallen for you, I fall for your love. Together forever.
Hey, stop.
Relax, okay? Don't worry.
Hey, what are you doing? Stop.
Don't worry.
Stop, come on.
Just relax. You don't need to say anything. Okay, let's start from here.
What are you doing? Can you stop? Can you go? Stop it. Oh, leave me alone. Oh, just go.
Please, come on. Let's just do this, okay?
Oh, can you stop? Listen, stop it. Listen, don't do this, alright? I know I took some alcohol, but I'm still very conscious. I know what I'm doing. Okay, just go. Just leave.
Babe, you know I cannot leave. You know I can't do without you. Please.
Nancy, you're not ego, okay? You don't have any right to touch me like that. Just go. You have lost the privilege. Just go. Just go.
I'm not going anywhere. Just stop it. Each time you say those words, you break my heart. Come on, baby. I love you so much. I'm here for you. I'm ready
Just
to
get
do
out.
anything.
What is wrong with you?
Please.
Just go.
Plants! Are you playing with that food? Come and eat! Eat fast! Hey, shh, I say eat well. Eat.
Who sent you? Who are you working for? Who sent you? Please, can you remove the blindfold so I can see what I'm eating? Please.
Shut up! So ask to do that. That's how you remain. Any other word, I will put this knife on your neck. Hello, boss. Lady.
Hello, Baron. She needs to die.
Good.
I am coming over.
Now eat. Eat fast. Boom. Glad. Fast. Fast.
What do you think of me? What do you think of me? Follow me to the house. Follow me. If you like, shout from now. Nobody will hear you. Oh, don't make me lock you up. Mama! Get inside. Get inside. I'll kill you here. Get inside.
Please, sir, don't kill me, please. Please, please, don't kill me, I beg you.
Lie her down.
No, no, please. Don't kill me, please. Please, please. Please, I beg you, don't kill me, please. Please, please, mom. Please, I beg you, don't kill me. I beg you, please, mom. Please, I beg you, don't kill me. I beg you.
How old are you?
I'm 24 years old, please.
Mom, you mean I have a sister somewhere?
Yes, you do. Just that we do not know where she is currently. You know, when I had your sister, I had her a healthy baby. Only for me to wake up in the morning and see a dead child beside me. Another woman had swapped my baby with a dead child. You see, this world, people are very wicked.
But how were you able to know that the dead baby is not yours?
I had a very replica of my mother-in-law, your grandma. And she had the family birthmark on her belly, just like yours. When I checked the dead baby, she had no birthmark. So I knew it was not my baby.
But my grandmother is dark.
Yes. She's elegant. She should be elegant just like your grandma.
Just like you know, I also have the same birthmark. In fact, every child that was born into this family is having the same birthmark.
So I will see my sister somewhere and I will not know that she is my sister.
Unless you get as close as being friends. If not, how can you start asking every girl that comes across you to show her stomach so you can see your family birthmark? Is it possible?
You're right, Dad. How old could she be now?
Well, she's 2 years ahead of you. So she should be about 24. Yes, 24 years. Oh, God. Man's inhumanity to man.
Is everything okay?
Untie her.
Eh?
You heard me right. Untie her!
It's you. Please, I beg you, don't kill me. I will leave Chidi. I swear. I will leave him. Please, you can have Chidi. Please, you can have him. I will never come close to him. I swear, I will never come close to him again. Please, please.
Don't be afraid. Come on. I'm not going to kill you.
No, please.
I can't kill my blood. You're my sister. Please. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I'm not hurt you. Please. Come.
My sister. Please, I'm so sorry for everything that I did to you.
Please, I don't want Mom and Dad to know what happened. They will be disappointed in me for involving myself in kidnapped and also attempted murder just because of a man. Nico, forgive me. Please forgive me.
It's okay. Sit down. Nancy, I forgive you. Okay? I forgive you. I bear no grudges.
against you. And besides, if you hadn't kidnapped me, I wouldn't have known my real parents. So, trust me, I have honestly, sincerely forgiven you. And Mama and Papa will never have a hint of what happened. It is going to be our little secret. So wipe your tears. It's okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hey, baby.
Nancy, how are you? I what?
I think I might have found my sister.
How? When? How? Where?
Minutes, please.
What did she say?
No guts, no glory. Yes, I know. But you do what to strength we carry. Makin mekata, mekata, mekata. My fake carry the Maggie. One knee, bama. No do, pass yourself. No do. Yourself. What you be, will be. No, do best.
She will soon be here. Just calm down and exercise some patience.
Doctor, is she my biological daughter?
Calm down, sir. Let me go through the test result. Sir, from this DNA test result, it shows that she's your biological daughter.
Jesus, thank you, sir. I knew that my daughter was alive. Oh, yeah.
What you be. No do pass yourself. No do pass yourself. No do pass yourself. What you be. What we be. No do pass yourself. No do pass yourself. No do pass yourself. No do pass yourself. What you be.
Who are these people?
Is she the one?
Yes, she's the one.
What is the meaning of this?
Linda, how are you?
I'm asking you, what is the meaning of this?
Arrest this woman.
For what?
Madam, you are under arrest for the offense of illegal adoption on Miss Ego Ibo from our original parent. The DNA proves that she's not your biological daughter. For your own good, I advise you remain silent, for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law.
Officer, I'm sorry.
So you are the one that stole my baby and ran back to this village. God will punish you.
This woman is evil.
What happened to you? What did you do to her? Why can't she speak? What is wrong with you?
Officer, please, I can explain. Please. This is the handiwork of the devil. Just the devil. I am not. Please. I'm sorry.
No.
Don't go near her. Ego Ibo, please forgive me. Ego Ibo, please forgive me for all I did to you. I'm so sorry. What greed? Envy. I was just imagining how my biological daughter would say why you marry off to a rich and handsome man like Chidi. I'm sorry. Tell them to go, Biko. Please forgive me. I can't stop.
That hasn't answered my question. What did you do to her?
Hey, how about you, Guadolo? Just forgive me first. Forgive me. I didn't do this. This is just the devil. She wanted to expose me. Because I told her everything I did. I told her why I was maltreating you. How I stole you from the hospital. So she wanted to expose me, and I oh my God. I do some luck why I want better. Do some luck why I want better. Not that I want to kill her, she's my child. I can undo it. I can undo it.
You are highly disreputable. You. Undo what you did right now. No. You're not taking her inside. Whatever that needs to be done should be done here and now.
Yeah?
Yes.
Undo it now.
No, don't. Just come back, okay? Don't go there. Just stand.
Undo it now.
I honestly can't believe both of you are sisters.
It's totally unbelievable. Both of you are sisters?
Yes. Ego Ibo is my sister. A DNA test confirmed it. Chidi, I want to apologize to you for everything. I was so desperate to be with you. I had to engage myself in so many evil. I'm so happy that I did not kill my sister. I'm happy that I now have a sister I never had. Please. Forgive me. Chidi, forgive me for everything. I'm so sorry. Please.
You did. Wait, you got involved in kidnapping for a man? What the hell is wrong with you?
I'm so sorry. Please. Everything happened for Zuzi. Maybe that's how the universe wants it. I'm so sorry. Please. I love you so much, my dear sister. Please. Forgive me.
Please stand up. Okay? I love you too. And I am forgiving you, my dear sister. I am happy. Really happy. I am happy to have reunited with my family.
Okay, it's okay. Thank you.
I'll get something from you guys. Okay?
Before that, Chidi.
Watch me be with me. Don't do pass yourself. Don't do pass yourself. Don't do pass yourself. Don't do pass yourself. Watch me be
Chidi.
Yeah.
Please, I want you to take good care of my sister.
Sure I will.
Thank you.
after the storm, the sun will shine. Nothing good can one need no do pass yourself. No do pass yourself. Yourself, what you be, no do pass yourself, no do pass yourself, no do pass yourself, what you be, no do pass yourself, no do pass yourself, no do pass yourself, what you be. Watch me be with me. Don't do pass yourself. Don't do pass yourself. Don't do pass yourself. Don't do pass yourself. Watch me be.